Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our revision. So today we will be revising compound complex sentence. Sit quietly, all of you. Sit quietly. Today we will revise simple, compound and complex sentence. This topic we have done. Now it is a revision time. So pay proper attention. Each and every topic of English will be revised in class. If you remain proper attentive in class, you can score very good marks. Okay, bache? So you want to score good marks or not? So now look at the blackboard. Second last, look at the blackboard. What is basically simple sentence? Tell me. As you know, sentence is a group of words that conveys proper information. Okay. So what will be the exact definition of simple sentence? It means it is also a group of words. So first condition is that it is a group of words. And second thing is that it is conveying proper information. It is conveying proper information. Okay. And another thing that you have to keep in your mind. Yes, it has subject. Bache, you write down. Lakshya. It has subject and it has predicate. Okay, it has subject also, it has predicate also, and it has verb also. And what kind of verb it will be having? Tell me. What kind of verb it will be having? Finite verb. Is it clear? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of finite verb? I have explained it so many times. How many students know? Let me see. Finite verb, this topic has been discussed with you so many times, but now I want to see how many of you know finite verb. Yes, Olivia? No, it is non-finite. Yes, it changes according to the change in number, change in tense, change in subject. Yes. So, simple sentence is a group of words. It conveys proper information. It has subject also, predicate also. And it has verb also, that is known as finite verb. So, bache, yesterday I told you to bring your separate revision notebook. Have you brought that? Yes. How many of you raised your hand? Very good, very nice. And those who haven't brought it means they don't want to score good marks in English. During their revision time, they want to search here and there. How many holidays do you have before English paper? Is there any preparatory? One holiday is there for English. So they will search, they will spend one holiday in searching revision content. And those who have raised hand, those who have been brought separate notebook, their things will be properly organized. Their time will be saved. So, bache, write down this in your revision notebook. Bache, you are sitting on first desk and continuously you are talking, not looking at the blackboard. Your name is? हाँ, द्रवित, गर्वित. Shall I announce your name in front of camera? Yesterday I also saw you. You are not studying and you are not letting. Keep silence. Start writing. Start writing, I said. Written. Now do exercise 1, which is given in your grammar book. All of you have grammar books? Okay, now let's revise this exercise. Page number 178. Exercise A. Page number 178, exercise A. See, he opened the cupboard. You have to identify subject and finite verb. Next. Next. That can be any name also. Meera Rajan and Meera and Rajan. बच्चे मीरा and Rajan. This is your subject. Hurry up, write down on your revision notebook. Subject. many form. Compound sentence topic is okay. So what is the full form of fanboy? F for speak loudly. A for N for B for O for Y for S for if the one and sentence two, then which sentence it will be? So during your exam preparation, if you look at this compound sentence, during your revision time, if you open your revision notebook and you at a glance you look at this, what is compound sentence? Fanboys, only this. And in your paper, whether MCQ is asked, whether fill up, concept should be clear in your mind. So write down in this year, write down this in your revision notebook in a very nice and clear way. So it will save your time and Not. Okay. Hardly. When. And sentence 1 and sentence 2 are joined using these conjunctions of correlative also. Then what? When two sentences are joined using correlative conjunctions, then what category it will be? It will be compound sentence. Done. Now let's do exercise. All of you get ready. Any of the child can be called here to write on the blackboard. So we are going to do page number 179. Exercise B. The child can be called. Which point? Pick up chalk. Fatima dances well. You have to tell whether it is simple sentence or compound. Divya, Guneet, your name, Tanish? You write them by the time third. मैं तभी ऐसे columns बनाए हैं. It will save your time. Hardik Uppal fourth. Prabnoor fifth. This girl sixth. Lakshay seventh. Aryan Kareer eighth. Okay, now tell me why second sentence is compound. Tell me. But why fourth is compound? Why fifth is compound? Why seventh is compound? So concept is clear? Clear? See, if you remain attentive in class, I think there is no need to study grammar at home. Agree or not? Each and every concept is made clear here. You only look at the blackboard, do practice at the same time you can do practice in class. But some great personalities, they don't have grammar books. And it was intimated to you the grammar was going on. Last week grammar was going on, not? Okay, now we are going to do exercise C, in which you have to combine two sentences using any of the conjunction. This conjunction can be coordinating or and it will make your sentence as a. Okay, I just give you one example, and there should not be repetition of a subject. Like in first example, Tarun, Tarun is given 2 times. So in place of second time, Tarun, you will be writing he. So Tarun caught the thief. He handed him over to the police. Tarun got a reward. So how will you compound? Make it compound. So get ready for that. Any of the child can be called here. You do on your own. Any of the child will be called to solve it on the blackboard. You solve by the time on your books. Hurry up, don't waste even your single minute. You have already entered the class late. So you will be doing exercise C, page number 180. Exercise C, page number 180, sentence number 1. Aryan, write down sentence number 1, and by the time this girl, you write down second. I have divided blackboard in 2 parts so that time will not be wasted. At one time, 2 students can write down their answers. Some students are not serious in my class. I am going to announce their names. She was not very well educated, yet she ran up. See, this can be combined using though also. Some students might have written yet. Yet is also correct answer. It can be joined using yet also. It can be joined using though also. Clear? Is this concept clear? Okay. Tarun caught the thief and handed him over to the police. So he got a reward. Very good. ये भी ठीक है. Now, third. This boy. Third. You come and write down 4. Third. 4. तुम्हारी कॉपी पे ब्लॉक में है अभी. It is unfair. He works in a shop and he manages his farm. Is it right? Tell me. No, it is wrong. In place, he works in a shop. In place of and, what will come? Huh? But, yet, does it make proper sense by adding but? He works in a shop as well as. It means he is managing both the things. He works in a shop as well as he manages his farm. Tagore was a novelist, but Tagore will be repeated again. Tagore will be repeated again. What will be written? Tagore was a novelist, but he also wrote a poetry.